Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. I don't know if the lighting is okay, but I was tagged by Miss Bling from the couple cooking series. I will leave her channel in my description box. And she told me to show my bling. Okay, so this is a fur vest. Of course, I live in Connecticut. It's cold. So I'm wearing my bling bracelets. I don't know if you guys can see them there. And of course, my jewelry. I wear all the time. And I'm wearing a little black dress. And of course, I'm wearing my Uggs boots because I just came from walking my dogs outside. So let's, if I could get the zipper open. Where's my zipper? It always goes to the inside. And this is a reversible jacket. So I could wear it like this, or I can wear it with the fur on the inside. Okay. So I could wear with the fur on the inside, depending if it's raining. So, and guys, this is fall, not real fur, but you know what I'm saying. So, all right. I think it's like leopard print. I don't know what type of print is that, but there you go. There you have it. One of my many. And the only reason about it is in the dress. So I'm wearing black dress. Of course, I'm wearing two. I have to pick you up, guys. My floor tripod broke. I'm wearing two brooches. One to eliminate a little bit of the cleavage. I don't like showing a lot of cleavage, even though you still can see it a little bit. And one of my bling brooches right here. So, and this one is the heirloom. This one was from the thrift store. This one is the heirloom. Is a vintage brooch with a red I don't know what is it called, red ruby. It was my great grandma, so I have a lot of her jewelry. And believe it or not, this right here, guys, it is a necklace. It is a necklace. And yes, it's one of those long necklaces that you use and reach down here. So since I got it, I have always wear it as a belt. I love it. And depending, like I said, it's raining today, so I came from outside. So I was wearing my boots. But other than that, I will use my knee-high boots. And of course, I'm wearing my earrings, and my hair is done. I don't have any stones on my hair. I usually put different types of stones. But yeah, guys, this is my video bringing my bling. And like I said, I'm using my bracelets that my husband had bought through the years. Like I said, this is thrifted. This is a family heirloom. My diamond earrings, my diamond rings, wedding bands, and my other little diamond rings that my husband had bought me through the years. But guys, let me leave it like I always say. And Miss Bling, thank you for tagging me. And it was fun. Let me leave it like I always say, guys. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye. And wait a minute. How is it that she goes? How is it that she goes? I can never do it like her because she's unique. Twirl to the world and hold it tight until I get it right. All right, guys. Bye.